my beautiful people, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie's Sweet Home Tricks. Yeah, so guys, in today's video we'll be making sausage roll. Yeah, this sausage roll you see on the video, of course, that's what we'll be making today. If you are just joining in, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. To all my subscribers, my old subscribers, I say thank you and God bless you. To my new subscribers, of course, thank you so much and God bless you. So guys, these are all the ingredients we'll be using for this sausage roll. We'll be needing sardines beef, yes. Then flour, we'll be needing flour for it, of course, yes, we'll be needing flour. Then butter, I'll be dropping the description below and the measurement, okay, you can check it out. So we'll be using egg for egg wash, guys. Going to come at night, guys. We'll be using pizza cutter and brush for the egg wash, okay. So in case you don't have pizza cutter, you can use knife for it. And this is rolling pin. Start with chilled and cold water, as you can see on this video. So guys, let's get started.